Hi, and welcome to PartsCheck. We are proud to announce that we have expanded our online part sourcing platform to incorporate the truck and trailer industry. The good news is, if you're an existing PartsCheck member, you do not have to re-register. This video will show you a couple of easy steps that will help you send off your quote to truck and commercial suppliers more efficiently. When confirming the vehicle details in PartsCheck, the make you choose will need to be either the truck or commercial option, which will be indicated in the brackets. In doing this, it will allow the truck and commercial suppliers to be available for selection when submitting the request. When you arrive at the supplier page, you will now see a list of businesses that specialise in truck or commercial parts. If you are in a state that doesn't show a particular supplier type, for example an OEM dealer, you can simply make a selection from a different state. Alternatively, if you know of a supplier that isn't registered on PartsCheck, you can invite them to join simply by filling out some information. The team at PartsCheck are excited to welcome our growing number of truck repairers and suppliers on board. For more information, go to www.partscheck.com.au.